a risk-free trade. What do you understand by a risk-free trade? A risk-free trade means that no losses whatsoever can happen after you have entered that trade. I repeat, no losses can happen after you have entered that trade. The purpose of this risk-free trade is to protect your capital protection. Now, this is the most important aspect of trading. Whether you like it or not, you are meant to be protecting your capital. So how do we get this risk-free trade so that we can use it for every trade that we get and then be rest assured that no matter what happens, it's not going to be a loss? Now, if you look at what we have over here, this is a trade that was taken, and you can see it's a buy position. And then, of course, from your analysis, you took this trade to buy. And then if you look very well, you have your area of entry. Maybe you enter because of support or whatever the case might be. Now, normally, where is your stop loss supposed to be? Your stop loss is meant to be much lower, right? Probably around here. So now this is the stop loss. And of course, your take profit could be higher, anywhere higher. Well, we're not here to talk about the take profit. We're here to talk about risk-free trade. So anywhere your take profit is, no problem. But then from the entry here, the price has now moved higher in your favor, right? But then you can see your stop loss is still at a negative. It's still at a place of loss. So how do you make it a risk-free trade? Simple. You adjust your stop loss and then move it to break even, meaning that you move it to where you have it on the green, which is the entry, or you move it slightly higher. Moving it slightly higher is even much better, because now there's no way you can have a loss. And of course, if the trade continues to move higher in your favor, you can even move your stop loss much higher. You can see what is happening. Your stop loss now has been moved to a point, to a place of profit, meaning that no matter what, this is definitely a risk-free trade. You can even forget about this because your attention doesn't need to be on this trade anymore. All you are doing now is just managing your profit. Let's put it that way. So a risk-free trade is one where no losses after entry. It is for the purpose of capital protection. Capital protection is numero uno. Yes, capital protection should be number one and should be something that everybody should be working towards. Great. So if this video was helpful on what a risk-free trade looks like, then you know what to do. Do the needful, right? Make sure when you place trades, you are working on protecting your capital, protecting your risk at all times. Okay, so if the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Of course, smash the subscribe button. It definitely helps the algorithm. And of course, we will see you at another time. Cheers, everybody, and goodbye for now.